Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ontario Vintage Tractor. If it's your first time tuning in, my name is Rick, and I'd like to thank you for taking some time to check out the channel. Today we're back at the farm. We've got our 1947 Case Model S. It's given us a bit of a fit, and it doesn't want to run. So we're going to diagnose that today, get that tractor running, and use it to skid some logs, and then we're going to cut some more wood with the big saws. So stay tuned. Alright, pull a plug out here and see if we got spark. Okay, turn the switch on.
Switch on.
And wheel it over.
It will.
Should go at least enough to see if it's got spark. Okay, we got spark.
Yeah, it seems like we didn't before.
Is there fuel in it?
Coast Guard?
Not if it's got one of them fancy bowls in it with that sticks up above. Alright, so we got spark and we got fuel. We'll see if it'll go.
It doesn't have one of those fancy bowls, and it should definitely.
Should go.
Oh yeah.
Alright. So this is a 12-volt booster pack, and this is a 6-volt tractor. We're just gonna pretend that this is 6 volt or that the tractor's 12 volt. Either or. That's how we're gonna do it. See, if you just pretend that things are what you need them to be, they are. Positive ground. Keys on. Well, at least it rolls over now.
Carburetor adjustment tool.
Hit the carb. Hit it. That's it. Float stuff. Yeah. All right, let's try it again. Yeah, the float's stuck, so it's flooding itself. Hang on. Okay. Definitely grumpy, that's a fact. See? The needle's up here. Pretend we didn't see that. Apparently I had her set up for summer. Mid firing though. Got a dead mid. I'll go grab pliers to check. We'll head into the tickle trunk here. If nobody's seen yet, this is our saw shed. So it's just an old camper with some lights in it, and it's a place to keep the saws dry anyway. And I always keep stuff like this in stock, so Those are the 295s, 295s, so those should be the right ones. Always has spark plugs in stock. And we will check our gap. That tool's in here somewhere. There we go. Mind you, if I'm not going to change the whole set, if I have a good one, I'll use it. There we go. Gap is good. Have a ratchet here. You know what? I'm going to change all of them because we're here. Tractor deserves it. It's been good. Alright, we got a miss on number 3. We can fix that. While we're here, we'll put 4 plugs in it.
That's got 4. Holy.
Well, I got more than that in stock. I'm pretty sure this thing's running on old plugs that we had kicking around from when we unseized it.
Are they mismatched?
Oh yeah, 100% there. Definitely going to be time to take that carburetor off and get it rebuilt though. Stick it in the ultrasonic cleaner.
Yeah.
That's a good spare plug. It fires. Can you grab the oil out of my truck, Junior?
Yeah.
Because this thing's probably low. You know, I'm always one to thrive about, you know, having good tools. But when you're out doing a field service, any tool's a good tool. Anything that functions. It's another good spare. I always keep extras around and get tractors that burn oil or run fat. This had mismatched plugs in it from the day we actually unseized it and got it running, so it'll be the first time it's had a full set of new plugs. And I said it before and I'll say it again, when it comes to spark plugs and ignition parts and things like that, if you identify your part numbers, you save yourself a pile of money getting all your ignition parts off Rock Auto. It's all just, you know, back in the day, it's just repurposed automotive parts. Everything crosses. Alright, we'll see what that does for us. Should probably turn it on. back to the way it normally is. At 16 inches, so we can stack them in a 4x4x8, so we know when we have a bush cord with 16-inch pieces. 32-inch bar through hardwood like nothing. What a cool old saw. Well, that's going to do it for this episode of Ontario Vintage Tractor. I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you like what you're seeing, pound that subscribe button down at the bottom. Be greatly appreciated. Till next time, take care.